There were months where we'd go from like 80,000 a month to like literally 15,000 the next following month because we didn't have this entire process in the middle, and that process is operations. A lot of people will not tell you and teach you at scale the number one thing that you need to focus on once you master bringing clients on and fulfillment, because you need to know how to get clients, you need to know how to fulfill them. You right there. Is your business suffering? Do you not have processes going on right now? Well, guess what, my friends? I'm about to tell you exactly the core processes that you need to be putting into your business today in this amazing digital economy that we live in that you can use to scale your business. So what I'm going to be breaking down for you is the number one thing that I have learned over the last 6 years of building a service-based business, an online business, a software business, and the one thing that I've consistently focused on. For those of you that know my background, I've built multi-seven-figure companies in multiple different niches, all in the online digital space. Now, I'm going to give you a little bit of a story right now. Rewind back about 7 years ago when I first started trying to build my service-based digital agency called GrowRev.com that we've been building very, very consistently and working with some of the biggest brands that you guys know. Now, one of the best things that I was fortunate enough to learn at a very, very young age was the number one skill set that I've talked about in plenty of other videos. You can click here. I'm pretty sure I did a video called the number one skills that you need to master, but that skill set does not mean that's the process that you need to master. The number one skill set that I mastered back in the day was client acquisition and sales. If you can master client acquisition and sales, you can build any business.
Pick up the phone and start dialing.
And you can blow up businesses really, really quickly, and you can also blow them down really, really quickly. That was a drawback and a benefit to both sides of being able to be really, really good at bringing clients in. We focus on the front end, we focus on the back end of our company, and that may sound ridiculous, but the back end of the company pretty much means that when I was selling them, we were able to fulfill them on having them, be able to get their ads live, the Google ads, their Facebook ads, all that good stuff. But there was a core process in the middle of this entire thing from the time they were brought on to the time that they were live that we completely missed and blew our company up. There were months where we'd go from like 80,000 a month to like literally 15,000 the next following month because we didn't have this entire process in the middle, and that process is operations. A lot of people will not tell you and teach you at scale the number one thing that you need to focus on once you master bringing clients on and fulfillment, because you need to know how to get clients, you need to know how to fulfill them, but you also need to know how to do it at scale. You need to be able to do it where you can be bringing on 8, 10 clients a week. You can be bringing on thousands of customers a month if you're selling anything in the software and in the information product age, because if you have that, you can build up any business. But the one thing that will make or break a business is the internal operations, not only from the internal team perspective, but also from what you can take and scale into your clients, okay? So when we brought on our operations dude to come in and manage, who actually, funny enough, today is also my brother. He came from a background of running multiple different restaurants. So he came from a very operational heavy background to be able to help fix this for us. One of the things that we focused on in the last probably 2.5 to 3 years is making the operational processes so solid that it didn't matter the amount of clients that I brought on, the entire company internally with all of our team members here in Vancouver, in Australia, in the US, in the UK, it didn't matter where they were. We could run this thing like a train and nothing could stop us coming along the way. To kind of give you some context, so when we were doing this, before we were doing this, we were bringing clients on, we kind of had a process in place, and then we would just get them live. Kind of pissed a lot of our clients off, and I understand why, and I take that full responsibility because we didn't really have a communication style. We were literally communicating with them in all different parts of the internet. Like some clients wanted email, some clients wanted Facebook Messenger, some clients wanted Skype. It was ridiculous. We've now built a process that once I sell them, the client goes through an onboarding process. They know exactly what they're going to expect on that call. Once that call is done, the team internally has a process that takes it on and builds on what they need to get done, whether it's building the funnels, getting the ad creatives, getting the video creatives, getting the targeting ready, doing the strategy. Once that strategy session's done, from there we move into getting them pre-launch, and then from pre-launch we're getting them live. And then there's a communication process internally within the team. There's a communication process internally between the team and the client, and the client always knows where we are along the way. Doing that and mastering that process. We've got documents in place, we've got systems in place, we've got SOPs in place, we've literally got software, you name it, we've built it to a point where it's ironclad. We can bring somebody into the company today, show them exactly what we're doing, and within 3 to 4 weeks, they know exactly how to be a team player, communicate with the team, communicate with their clients, no matter what happens. Since we've done that, every single year, year over year, we've minimum 3x our company. 2019, we 3x our company. 2020, we're on track. Our goal this year is to actually 5 to 6x our company, and right now we're hitting that pace pretty heavily. Because of that, it's given me the confidence on the front end to be able to go out and sell like a madman, because that's what I enjoy doing. But if I didn't have these processes in place, my entire company would be in shambles. And this is me being completely authentic and honest with you. That is the one thing that has turned me from going into building, doing a launch style business where it's like you do 7 figures and then you're not doing anything for like 3 to 4 months. Then you're doing 7 figures, you're not doing anything again. This is a consistent, predictable income, and that is how you build a business. That is how you build a legacy company. That is how you build a company that potentially could get acquired. Now we're doing the exact same thing on our side of the software company that I own, because over there all we've focused on is fulfillment and operations, and now we're going into sales. We're going a little bit different than what I did at the agency because I learned from those mistakes. What I want to give to you in this video is I want to give you 2 stories, one that are mine, the ones that I've learned in a very, very difficult way, and have you use them so that you can go and build your company. Now, if you've enjoyed this video and if you've enjoyed the content out of this video, I want you to do me a favor and I want you to comment below this video and tell me what are you going to focus on the number 1 process that I've just given you, which is operations, that you need to focus on at scale. Do you want to build a scalable company or do you want to just build a lifestyle company? Either is fine. But if you want to go from lifestyle to scalable, where you're just working with, maybe 3 to 4 clients, to where you're working with 30 to 40 clients, you're working with thousands of clients, customers in a software and info product business, you need to focus on operations. Today's day and age, our name is built so damn good. I just got back from an event in Washington, D.C., and the number 1 thing that a lot of our clients and our potential future clients, it was like literally a walking referral source with all of our clients around, because they were talking about how amazing this one process is. And that is the reason why I wanted to come on and shoot this video for you and give you this content. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, comment below this video. Like I said earlier, comment below this video how you're going to use this in your business to help you scale, build a legacy for yourself and your family. And also do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because we're going to be turning up the type of content we're going to be doing. I've noticed over the last little bit since the content that we've coming out, what you guys like, what you guys haven't liked. I've seen what you guys have been messaging me on Instagram as well on what you guys want from my YouTube content. So we're going to be turning that on. The only way that you're going to get notified right now is by hitting that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.